This is going to put you ahead of the rest. So first of all, open your ChatGPT, your app on your phone.
As soon as you open that, there's a blue button and you can tap on that blue button. And if you tap on that blue button, it will open a discussion forum where you can start talking. I think that the nice thing about this, you can sit at your home at any time of the day and you can practice your scripts. Ask the ChatGPT to be any type of person, a difficult person that have a lot of objections or whatever, and you can train yourself to be the best in cold calling.
This is going to put you ahead of the rest. We have to adapt to AI, even if you just do one little step at a time.
Just do it. Do your training and just do your cold calling. That's where the money lies. The gold nuggets is lying in the streets. You must just go and pick up the gold nuggets.
Go and use the AI, level up, get those listings, get those sales. We want all of you to be that millionaire real estate agent.